Yo, what's up, boys? I've made an impulsive decision today, maybe not today, a few weeks ago, and the price of this item was low enough for me to want to purchase it. As you can see here, there's an issue. I like a little bit of an aggressive look, and yeah, there's no poke on the outside. I want to see a little bit of tire for some aggressiveness. I had a big issue with buying anything that was not necessary, because I already have everything for the truck. So, you know, I was like, oh, I can't buy anything for it. Everything's gotta go to the 240 because the 240 needs it. But I saw the price, it was around like Black Friday, and I was like, oh, I gotta get these, because I know I want to get them in the coming future, so I might as well get them now while they're a lower price. So I think it was like 30 bucks cheaper than what the regular price was. So I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm getting them and I'm putting them on. That's it. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy life. So here's what we're working with today. We have a little bit of spacing for you guys. A little bit of red thread locker, the tightest, some might say. We want nothing but the tightest of threads to be locked. Spacers right here for you guys. These are no ordinary spacers. These are a nice price space between my wheels and the hub. They're aluminum forged wheel spacers, if I can get the deets here. CNC center with high accuracy, 0.2 millimeter, 12.9 grade studs. 2 years, limited warranty. 2. So this is what we got. We got all 4, all right? All 4 for the dang Fukui Raptor, the Frontier Fukui Raptor. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So, as you can see, successfully did one side. There you go. Wait, right there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. We got him on. One side down, one more side to go. Look at that. Not bad. A little bit of poke. That's it. That's all it takes. We get her 21 on her. Get those lugs off. Lugs? Spacers. All these lugs are coming off the spacers. Get them all off. We don't need them. Well, we do need them. So what we're going to do now is take this red Loctite that was included with the spacers and just put a wee bit on there. Not a lot at all. Oh, Jesus. So after you put the tiniest bit of red thread locker, or you can put blue, red thread locker on your studs, you can throw the spacer on. Okay, wait, before you put the spacers on, you're gonna wanna clean your hubs. So take a nice and clean wire brush and a little bit of brake clean, scrub the hub, and then hit it with some brake clean. This way you're not disrupting the connection between your spacer and your hub, and it seats properly. If it doesn't seat properly on the hub, then you might get some vibrations and the spacer might fall off. But the reason for that red thread locker is because we don't want the spacer to come off. This is basically the new hub, so you might as well put it on there nice and snug. I'm one-handing it right now. I'm free-handing it, one-handed. There we go. Fits like a glove. So I got these little lugs here, and I'm just popping them in. They need to go in those holes, so throw that bad boy in. So just gonna torque these down to 88 foot-pounds on these little guys here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Next up, oh, I forgot to mention, screwdriver in case when you're tightening these babies, these lugs, you can stick the screwdriver in the rotor and spin it without the rotor spinning while you're trying to torque these down. That mainly applies to the front side because obviously, as you saw, the rear brakes didn't do that. They didn't spin. So we're gonna come over, get that there, anti-seize, and seize these babies up. I tell you what, Just get a little bit of that right there. Paint it nice and pretty. Get a little bit of that right there. Yep. Picasso your little studs up. Your new studs, might I add. After these bad boys are on and nice and perky, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop them all off. Again, we're gonna pop them off. Pop the wheels off. We're gonna come in here. You see those little lugs? Those little babies right there? And we're gonna tighten them. 88 foot-pounds on these right here, but that's on a Frontier, so that's not every car. These babies right here, 98 foot-pounds. Is that anti-seize? God damn it. You also want to keep in mind, when you're throwing on your lugs, there's a little bit of thread on the stud to where you could take your lug and you could pop her on. If you have minimal thread, if you have not enough thread and your lug doesn't feel like it's on all the way, you can see how much thread is inside your lug. If you're only getting to about like a quarter of that or even half, you probably need different lugs, not the factory lugs. 98. Would you look at that? We got them on. It looks pretty good. I like it. Just a wee bit of poke out of the fender there, and I think it makes the look all better. It's how it should be from the factory. However, they didn't come like this. And I know it's definitely safer to go with a more negative offset set of wheels. However, yeah, I'm not spending money on a whole set of wheels. I like these just fine. They do the job. So instead, I got some spacers, and you can see me in the reflection. Yo, what's up, guys? But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something today. If you did, be sure to like the video down below, and while you're down there, consider subscribing because it does go a long way. It always goes a long way, and it does mean a lot. Also, while you're down there in the description, you can find me on other socials, Instaslam, TikTok, Twitter. I'm wrapping up the dang video, man. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Got my Yeezy on. Got my Yeezy on. Got my Yeezy on. Got my Yeezy on. I'll see you bubbies in the next one. Peace, baby.